Let me walk you through how day in the life of a quant looks like in the United States. So I start my day at 7:30. Sharp at 7:30 we have a stand-up meeting in which we discuss what's happening in the markets, if there's any volatility, what's driving that volatility. So after my meeting I generally prefer a cup of coffee. So we do not get the Indian tea and that's why I have to take my coffee. So after grabbing my coffee I basically work on the projects that have been allocated to me. So quants mostly work on either pricing different financial instruments or building mathematical models for risk management purposes or performing Monte Carlo simulations to predict what's going to happen in the future. So after that, after working for 4-5 hours on these projects, I just have my food, and after getting my lunch break, I have few meetings with quant traders, risk managers, and other stakeholders to understand if there's any new requirement for models or if any models needs to be tweaked. So this is how my day looks like, and almost 8 to 10 hours goes on working on the models.